mga motorcycle enthusiast natin, subukan nyo pong mamasyal dito sa Bristol Group Dagupan at makita nyo yung naggagandang mga modelo nila ng mga motor. At syempre, napakaluwag ang parking natin dito sa May Herrero Perez. Pasyal na po kayo dito sa Bristol Dagupan.
I am G, I am from SB Finance, and we are here to help the community para mas maging makilala ang Bristol dito sa Dagupan and sa buong Pangasinan. Congratulations sa Bristol Dagupan sa kanilang opening. SB Finance, dito pwede.
Hi, good morning everybody. I'm Cheryl Lalap and I'm the National Sales Head of Ridgewald Finance Company. So we would like to say thank you to Bristol Motorcycle Philippines for being our partner in terms of financing their big bikes. And we would like to welcome and encourage everyone to those who would want to get their big bikes and motorcycle. Once again, thank you so much, Bristol Motorcycle Philippines. Thank you.